Hello friends, Namaste. We had seen how to make easy, simple, quick way of making Play-Doh at home. Today we are going to use that Play-Doh to make Play-Doh craft. We are going to make monkey craft for our 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, swinging on the tree, or a monkey story and song using the Play-Doh which we made. If you want to learn how to make the Play-Doh and you have missed it, please subscribe to Keykids TV and check for the easy way to make quick Play-Doh at home. Now to make the Play-Doh monkeys, we will need Play-Doh. I have taken 2 colors, yellow and white, a chopping board to roll the Play-Doh on, toothpick, and I have taken some peppercorns, some cloves and some pieces of cinnamon stick to make the eyes, nose, mouth, lips of the monkey. Let's start. First make the face of the monkey and the body. So I will take one piece and another piece from our Play-Doh. Now the smaller piece we need to roll. We need to knead it in our palms and we need to roll it to make it a smooth ball. So this will be our monkey head. Now the other piece, we need to shape it in slightly oval shape for the body. So we will shape it slight. If you want a thin monkey or if you want a fat monkey, you can roll it. So now our body is ready. Now take a small pinch and roll it little longer for the hands and legs. So we will need 2 for hands and 2 for the monkey's legs. So now we have the circle for the face ready, oval for the body ready, and 4 parts for the hands and legs we have rolled out. Now from the white Play-Doh, we have taken a small ball. Now we will roll the ball little and press it to make the mouth of the monkey. So we have pressed it like an oval. Now we will start putting it. Now make the base of the body set once. Now take the face with a toothpick. Make a hole for the eyes. Now we will take peppercorn and we will push it in these holes to make the eyes of the monkey. Now near the eyes, pinch the Play-Doh and shape it like an ear. Both the sides. 2 ears like we have, monkey also has 2 ears. Now this white part we need to put for the monkey's mouth. So it will not stick like that. So just dip your finger little in water, put it on the Play-Doh and then put the other part on it. So it will stick. Now once it is stuck, take a small piece of a cinnamon stick and put it on that white part for the lip. So our monkey's face is ready. Now what we need to do, keep the monkey's face. Now we will first fix the hands and legs for the body. Again, put little water on one edge and press it down for the legs. Now again take other piece, press it, dip the finger, put the water and the other leg of the monkey. Now we will make the monkey sit so that the legs can set. Now before the hands I am fixing the face, so I know where to fix the hands. Now again dip the finger in water, put it on the neck and make the face sit. Now we need to fix the hands. Take the hand, again press, dip the finger in water and near the neck bring this hand. Now the other hand, roll it little and press from one edge, put it in the finger in water and the other side. Now the hands are there. Now what we have done? We have made a baby monkey also in the same way. Now I am going to make this baby monkey sit with mama monkey and mama monkey is going to hold the baby. So we can make a mama and a baby monkey with the Play-Doh at home. So now we have the mama monkey holding the baby monkey and sitting. We can make many monkeys like that. We can use it for our 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, 5 little monkeys swinging on the tree, Monkey and the Crocodile story. For any story we can make monkeys with the Play-Doh at home and use it.